Hello silly bakers, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making a healthier type of a candy bar. So whoever loves a crunch bar, which is essentially milk chocolate with a rice cereal, you're really gonna love these. These are a healthier take on the candy bar you're gonna find in your grocery store. This is a brown rice cereal that we're using. We're using semi-sweet chocolate. We are using a nut butter for that extra protein and healthy fats, and a little bit of grass-fed butter, but you can substitute that with coconut oil and a couple of little things to really enhance that chocolate flavor. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. It really does help our channel grow. So let's learn how to make these really delicious, healthy crunch bars. First, you want to line an 8x8 baking pan, and you want to set that aside. These are brown rice crisps. You can use any Rice Krispie cereal. This is 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm using 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use any nut butter or seed butter. This is a 1/4 cup of grass-fed butter. You can also use coconut oil. 1/2 cup of maple syrup. This is pure maple syrup. You can use a little less or any other liquid sweetener. 2 teaspoons of espresso powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, plus 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to add my Rice Krispies to a bowl, just so they're ready to go. This is 3 cups of brown rice cereal. And we'll just set that aside. And now let's make the chocolate mixture. So I'm creating a double boiler here. So this is about 1 inch of water that I'm going to heat up. We want a nice gentle simmer. We're gonna add a heat-safe bowl on top, and that steam is going to melt everything. So we're essentially adding everything except the Rice Krispies to this bowl. So that's our chocolate, that's our butter, this is our nut butter, our maple syrup, and our espresso powder, salt, and cinnamon. And now we're just going to melt everything together and ensure that everything is nicely incorporated. It'll almost look like a fudge once it's all melted. And this literally takes, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes. So this is almost there. I do see a couple chunks of butter in there, so we just want to get that melted. And once it's melted, we're going to take it off the heat. And off the heat, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of good quality vanilla. This is Sassy Kathy's vanilla. She is offering her viewers 15% off for a 4-ounce bottle. All of the information is in the description box. And we're just gonna mix that through, add our rice cereal, and we are just gonna mix that until everything is nicely coated. That looks good. And now we're gonna transfer this to our 8x8 baking pan. We're just gonna even this out and spread it out from corner to corner into an even layer. And we're going to refrigerate for 1 hour before slicing. Enjoy these healthy crunch bars. They're chocolatey, almost fudgy, crunchy. They're delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these healthy crunch bars, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.